Hello and welcome. Now in this video, we are going to do a few more reports, but we're going to do some more advanced reports. And to do that, we're actually going to import some from the Solutions Gallery. And we are now inside of our custom report area. So we're going to click Import from Gallery. What will happen is the gallery will open up into a window. And what we can do is we can actually search the gallery for some of the reports that we may want based on parameters that we place in. Or we can actually import some of the more popular reporting. And so in this particular case, we see that there are three very popular reports: Occam's Razor, New Google Analytics User Starter Bundle, and Content Analysis Dashboard. So we're going to import the first of these. And then we're going to select the view. And in this particular case, we are going to stick with the search traffic and all traffic sources, as well as the digital dashboard. Now we're going to click Create. And so now we can actually look at some of the reports that we have here. In particular, we can start by looking at search traffic. So as you can see here, what will happen is that when we look at these reports, the dashboard will open up and we can decide whether or not we want to create a saved report with this information or not. For example, we may look at an all traffic report that's telling us where all of our traffic is coming from. Once again, this may be a report that we want to save, so we might go ahead and click Save and then click OK. That means then that this report is going to be reusable anytime we want to get it in our Save Reports area. We can go back to the gallery and we can import the starter bundle, or we can actually input any other report that we want. For example, here's one: visit and goal conversion by traffic source. And so we can import this report. Now again, here's another report that we might save that tells us how we're acquiring our traffic. And of course, we can change the date if we need to, or even the way that it's rendered by week or month. And what we're going to do is we're going to save this report also. So one of the ways that you work with advanced reports is that you can import them into your data, run the report, and save it and use it as your saved report. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.